Installing Eclipse on Windows. Eclipse is an open-source integrated development environment IDE supported by IBM. Eclipse is popular for Java application development and Android apps. I am going to show you how to download and install Eclipse on your Windows computer. Number 1. Go to search engine like Google and search for Eclipse Download. Click on Eclipse Downloads. Number 2. Click on Download Packages. Number 3. Click on Windows 64-bit. Number 4. Click on Eclipse INST Win64EXE. Number 5. Select the package to install. Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Number 6. You could launch Eclipse.